Challenge accepted, Sprague River Homestead. I'm going to go with your list, but I'm going to go backwards. I'm Robin from Robin Bits and Pieces. Number 5, animals added. Since I added rabbits, chickens, and goats in 2019, don't do that. That's too much at one time. I added bees this year. We captured our first native hive, and going on to number 4 was the skill I learned was harvesting some honey from this hive. And number 3, best accomplishment for 2020 was this experience of COVID-19 made me realize where our skills were lacking and where I need to beef up as far as being prepared. Number 2, the biggest accomplishment for me this year was learning how to juggle and working full time. I have not worked 40 hours a week for probably about 20 years because I used to work weekend package, and I've really not worked a 40-hour week for a number of years. But my husband has been a great help in that. And the best tool I'm going to take you inside. It's been the best Christmas ever. Nikki, I'm just like you. I like my tools. 2 years ago, my husband bought me a Ryobi kit with the multiple tools in it, so I wouldn't take his. And this year, he surprised me. He told me he was going to town to go Christmas shopping. Well, we've got 3 pretty large towns within an hour of us. But he said he went to one of the larger towns, which there's like 4 within 3 hours of us, to buy me jewelry. I wear my wedding ring, my grandma and great-grandma's wedding rings. But as far as jewelry, I'm thinking, I don't wear jewelry. And then I thought, I hope I didn't let him down. I come home Christmas after working. He had supper ready, and I will show you what I come into my bedroom and found. Best present ever. He bought me a Ryobi table saw that's on a stand with wheels. I've been looking at one of these for like 3 years. My old table saw, the kickback guard, and has broke off. It's 20 years old. And I've been, like I said, looking for this for like 3 years. Well, there were none local, so he went 3 hours away to pick it up for me. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and challenge accepted.